Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to upload videos on your fan page, Facebook page. First of all, go to the Facebook Creator Studio. Creator Studio. Type Facebook Creator Studio on Google. Then you will get the link of Creator Studio. Click on that. It will take some time to load. Then click on create new, then go to upload video. Click on that, select your video, select any of your videos, then click on open. Then it will upload your video directly. Then type your title, description, and add some tag. Change the language if you want, and then next publish your video, or you want to premiere your video. That is it for today, guys.